Hey, everybody out there, this is George, and I've got Stan here with me, and you are at Turn Passion to Income to our Facebook page here. Want to welcome everybody who is who's here live with us and who's watching the recording. Want to welcome you there. We've got something a little bit more let's just say defined or narrowed down, because sometimes when I get going, I go down this path and it's all just a little bit not exactly the way I want it to go. So anyways there, Stan, have you been able to switch the tab and see what's going on the other page there?
I know, but I can't find our live video.
That makes sense. So anyways, let me, before I put that up, let me see. Yeah, I got it going right there, Stan. Hey, everybody out there. Yeah, well, I can see it. I'm going. Yeah.
It's in the group, right?
Yeah, it's in the group. Uh-huh.
Wow. All right.
Hello, group. I just put that out there. So for the people who are, again, watching this and all this, I've got a PowerPoint situation here, which I'm going to share with you guys. And it's, okay, I named it squares, but that was just something so I could remember what I was doing here. And today is Wednesday, April 15th. And making money at home seems to be a huge topic for people right now. There is a crisis that people are locked up. They've got to stay at home, and more people are right now looking at ways to make money at home. And the thing is do we want to make money, or do you want to make money only temporarily during this lockdown crisis, or do you want to have an income stream from home that lasts forever? So that's kind of the question here. And we are the second type, this Stan and I, where we want to, our projects here for you is not to make fast money that's not going to last. We're going to help you make money now, but it's going to be geared towards a long-term business, a long-term income, somehow turning your passion into profitable income. Now, these slides are a little bit simple here. So the first one here is make money at home, but we want to find out what your passion is, and we want to turn that into profit or an income. The passion is the key, because there's a lot of people out there that are probably pitching you for their business, pitching you for network marketing. And I'm sure that you know that you can buy a franchise, you can buy a McDonald's or a Subway or something like that. And that's not what we're talking about now. And I know that's not what you want to do, but months ago, let's just say that would be a consideration, taking a mortgage out on the house and buying a big box thing, a brick and mortar. But is that really your passion? When you find your passion, this is something that you love to do, and you probably already love to do things. Maybe you like to ride your bike. Maybe you like to bake cookies. Maybe you like woodworking. Maybe you like exotic trees in the middle of the desert or something like that. Maybe you like photography. Maybe you like teaching kids. Maybe you like cutting grass. Maybe you like bonsai trees or something like that. Maybe you've got a little machine called Creek Cut like my wife, and my wife is passionate about little detailed things. So we need to help find your passion, because once you have that passion and it's something you enjoy to do, now you can actually develop some skills and learn how to market it. Now, with the Creek Cut or woodworking or something like that, or even baking cookies, that is a skill. And there is a way to improve and learn more and become better and better and better. And once you develop that skill, and once you grab onto that, people will pay you for that. And what we want to do then is we're going to take your skill, we're going to put it in a box or package it up, whatever it might be, and then you're literally going to be open for business. So being open for business means that you really have something to sell. And so what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate and we're going to tell people that you now have creek cut, you now do woodworking, you now bake cookies, you have bonsai trees, you know how to coach, you know how to teach, and we're going to demonstrate that using videos, how-to videos. Most people nowadays, they don't want to read a lot, they want to watch a video. Like right now, you're watching Stan and me on a video. YouTube is a great platform. I know everyone watching this has been on YouTube before. And since you're on Facebook, I know that you're on Facebook watching videos. So that is the most effective way to put your passion, your skill, and box it up and get it out there is to make a demonstration video. We can very easily make a video on how to bake cookies. You get the bowl, you get the eggs, the milk, the ingredients, the powder, you stir it all together. Cooking shows, perfect example. They're making a video on how to. So we will help you make those videos and put those all together. Once those videos are all together, then we box it up as a package, like how to barbecue, how to do creek cut, how to make cookies, how to do whatever your skill is. People will pay you for that because they want to know something you know. And then you can start collecting money that way. And what happens after you collect some money? You get some customers. And we're going to continue to market and sell to not only your audience, but your audience and say, you know what? You're fantastic. I love what you just did. I learned something, and I'm going to tell somebody else about it. That's called organic advertising, and someone's going to spread the word for you, and that's the best type. Now, after you start making sales and getting some money, we want to make sure that you stay profitable. So there's some accounting stuff that has to be done. Now, sure, you could start making some money and collecting money, but if this is going to be a business, if you're going to stay at home and you need X amount of dollars in order to pay your bills, you better make sure that your business is covering that. And that is something that's very important that a lot of people overlook, like, ooh, wait, I got this business. It's like winning the lottery. Those people win the lottery, they've got millions of dollars, and what happens soon after that? What are they? They are broke. That's right. And these online businesses and these other things, you can go broke doing this way too. You've got to have the entire plan. You've got to have the whole thing laid out, because once the whole thing is laid out, boom, you're going to have success. And that is what this is all about, is you having success because you have a profitable business from home, doing what you love and being passionate about it. So, Stan, have you got anything else that you would like to add?
Well, I think that the only thing I would like to say is that this process, what you just described, may take some time, may take a little bit of an investment, and it's time, time investment and investment in effort, money and effort. As maybe because I'll look at a business usually requires a little bit of investment, even though some people may be asking, how do I make an income now? I mean, just right now. How does that possible to happen? So look at I can only say that there are ways that you can do it quickly, and now might take a little bit of time, but skill isn't earned overnight. Anyway, in other words, we will show you from step one. If you would like to follow along, we will show you from step one all the way to the end. And sometimes you can do this quickly. A lot of times people already have a skill, have a hobby, which they enjoy and can do, and therefore it can the returns can be more. How long would it take for you to get on Facebook, on, let's say, a live broadcast, do it like this, and then just have somebody click a link that's below you? So, George, how would they get a hold of us?
a great question. You can get a hold of us by leaving us a comment or messenger.
Is there any other way? Do we have any other links that they could to click on?
Well, that would be the best and easiest way in order to get with us, is to leave us a message, because that will go right in our inbox. We do have a website which has a free download that you can get an executive report, executive summary on how to turn your passion to income. And we'll put a link to that just right below here. Actually, you can't see my picture yet. Okay. Still learning how to use the software, but there'll be a link down below, and it will go to turn passion to income.com. If I got that right.
Very good. Very good.
So that's it. 11 minutes, 15 seconds flat. Thanks, guys, for watching.
All right. Bye.